Hello, welcome to this quick MYOB video where I'll cover how to fix an issue where only one user can print or only the user who logs into MYOB first is able to print. You may also get other errors like you cannot export reports, invoices, that sort of thing. This is an indication that you may not have installed the correct MYOB installer file. For example, if you're on a Windows Server install and you are running a terminal server, so with a remote desktop session host and multiple users, make sure you've installed the .msi file. If you haven't done that, look at my other video on how to do that so you can be set up properly and don't have to implement fixes and different registry changes to get it to work. But if you've got the right install and you just wanted to fix it, these are the steps to fix the messages that you'll see. So the common messages you'll see is either printer invalid, something like that. The other one is the first user to log into MYOB is the only one that can print. The other is something went wrong. So this will pop up, your MYOB will crash. Normally it happens when you are trying to export reports, that sort of thing. So now I'll show you the fix. Okay, so the fix is a registry key change where you'll have to delete a bunch of registry keys in the system. I've got some notes here. And these are keys that relate to access permission, launch permission, and run as permissions. So I've already deleted these myself, but I'll show you where these are. So you want to open regedit, right click and run as an admin. Now we've got it opened up, so we want to navigate to hkey classless root and clsid. From here we can search for the registry key entry, this one here. So we can do edit find, and I'm just going to put some of the numbers, letters in here to find the key. And there you go, it's found it there. From here we want to find the associated app ID which relates to your MYOB install on this server. So we want to copy that one. Make sure you copy into a notepad somewhere just so you have a copy. So we'll do that, we'll copy into a notepad. And now we want to navigate to a different area, which is hkey classless root and app ID. So from here we want to do edit, find, and paste the key in. Here we'll see the key. So I've actually already deleted these ones, but from here you'll see launch permission, access permission, and run as. So a common issue when you try and delete a key is you're unable to delete it. So this means you don't have permission to delete it, or you need to change the owner. So the easiest way to do this, which may not be easy, but I'll run you through it, is you want to jump on Google, get a package called PS Tools. I've already got it. Windows Internals, download that tool. It will download into a zip file just there. So once that's done, you want to unpack it and extract it into a folder. So from here we would run a command prompt as administrator, and we want to navigate to where you unpacked the contents of that zip. So CD and the path to where you unpacked it to get to that area. So now we're here, we have to run this tool called pexec as the system user. So you would do it like this, and this is the command here to run the registry management system as the system account. So as we have it open, we have to close it, otherwise it won't open. Hit enter, and now we're running as the system user. So we'll go back to our notes and we'll find that same app ID. So it's under classless root, app ID, and you should have copied and pasted from before, and you want to edit and find, paste that in there, find. So now say for example I'm going to delete a key, I should be able to delete those keys: access permission, launch permission, and run as. So I've already done it, as I said, but you'll be able to delete them now. If you can't, for whatever reason, right click this folder, which is your app ID, go to properties, go to permissions, check the system account which you'll be logged in as now, and make sure it has full control. Apply it, then try and delete it. And that's it, you're pretty much done. All users should now be able to print and do all the fun stuff. But also remember that if you're getting these errors, this probably means you've installed the wrong installer from the first place, and you want to fix it properly if you can. And if you want to do that, there's another video, and yeah, enjoy. Thanks.